Hey there, BlowHard fans. Rebecca Hadlock here. And today's Blow Your Mind update is on the BlowHard Ergo-Fold. The very first foldable PPV fan on the market was developed by BlowHard, and we call it Ergo-Fold. Having it now be so highly desired, it's no surprise everyone has tried to copy it, and we're flattered. However, they have not been so effective. You see, while they were busy trying to keep up with the Joneses and thinking it's just about having a fan that folds, BlowHard actually designs around the needs of firefighters. So there are key components of Ergo-Fold that they, or maybe you don't know about. Only BlowHard has a true 180 degree of operation with an infinite number of angles, full articulation. One copy of our fans actually has the air blocked by the power supply when folded. Another has big pins that you have to pull out, adjust, and put back in. And yet another gives you only a plus or minus 15 degree limited angle of each section, and you have to adjust the whole fan. BlowHard knows that when you get called out onto a scene, you're heading into environments and situations that are unpredictable. You need a product that allows you to deal with all situations and not be confined or limited by your tool. With BlowHard, you can quickly and precisely set the shroud where you need the air to flow. It can be angled to use down into basements, absolutely flat for getting fresh air down into manholes, and even the opposite. Because the shroud of the fan articulates away from the base, it only needs to be opened slightly to blow straight up, like into an attic or a crawl space. Other copies have to be set down either flat or only on a slight angle, or else when turned on, it will blow over. BlowHard's Ergo-Fold is designed so that the mass of the fan is in the base for stability. So it's not going to tip over if the ground isn't perfectly flat. It's super stable on slopes, inclines, or declines. And that stability becomes particularly important when you are increasing the power and thrust capabilities of a BlowHard, which quite literally would blow over many other fans. Now, we didn't think about weight dispersion only when deployed, but also for you carrying it. Ergo-Fold keeps that weighted base of the fan close to your body for easy walking and maneuverability. Size always matters with BlowHard, and from a storage standpoint, we know that your apparatus space is limited. So we compressed all components of the system into the smallest possible state to give you more space and to keep your compartment clean and organized. To sum it up, Ergo-Fold by BlowHard was quite literally designed for you. For easy, lightweight carrying and maneuverability, for stability and full range options in unpredictable situations, always giving unrestricted airflow with maximum performance, and all in a small, compact design, allowing for more space on your apparatus. BlowHard Ergo-Fold. It's more than just a folding fan.